unmuted, live tuition. Can you hear me? Yes, okay, please turn on your camera, everyone. Please turn on your camera. What do you take in previous class? Because I was absent. Oh, okay. We were dealing with chapter number 2, polynomials, right? Yeah, so we were dealing with chapter number 2, polynomials. Yeah, can you tell me the summary of it? Yes, I will tell you. Good evening. Yes, good evening. Before that, is there anyone who is attending this class for the first time? If this is your first class, please raise your hand.
Yeah, Sharia, Shifa.
Okay. Can you please unmute them? Please unmute and please introduce yourself. What is your name?
My name is Shahir.
Shahir. Okay.
And I'm with our teaching school.
Okay, welcome to the class. Happy to see you. One more person is there, right?
Chris.
No, only one person. Okay, yeah, and anyways guys, welcome to the class. So last class we were, yes, one more hand raise.
Chris.
Hi Chris.
Hello ma'am.
I can't see you. Can you please turn on your camera?
Okay.
Yeah, okay, fine, very good. So your name is Chris, right? Chris? Where is Chris? Network issue, maybe. No. Okay, anyways. Chris, can you please raise your hand again? Okay. Hi, Chris. Yeah. And you are from, your name is Chris. And you are from?
Yes. I am from Sunrise.
Okay, yeah. Welcome to the class, Chris.
Thank you ma'am.
Yeah, so in school you are dealing with polynomials or the first chapter?
First chapter.
First chapter, okay. Yeah. Anyways, my name is Anila and I'm your maths teacher from 90 Plus Hybrid Tuition. Welcome to the class, everyone. Yes, okay, last class we were discussing about chapter number 2, polynomials, and we already discussed about, okay, let me ask you some questions. What is a monomial? Because we have some new students and some of you were absent last class. So let's just recall the things that we have discussed in the previous classes. What is a monomial? Sir? Monomial, yes. Hand raise.
Okay, Ayman.
Ayman. Yes, Ayman, what is a monomial?
Ma'am, basically one term or one expression is a monomial.
Yes.
I mean, one term.
Yeah, a polynomial having only one term, they are known as a monomial. Help me. 2 terms. Can you please unmute? Help me. Polynomials having 2 terms, they are known as?
1 second.
Yes, okay. So polynomials having only one term, they are known as monomials. And what about polynomials with 2 terms? They are known as? Can you please unmute?
Monomials.
Monomials are polynomials with 1 terms. Polynomials with 2 terms.
Binomials.
Yes, very good. Polynomials with 2 terms, they are known as binomials. And which is the third one? Polynomials with 3 terms. Yeah, next one.
Trinomial.
Yes, very good. Okay. Polynomials with 3 terms, they are known as trinomials. Okay. And this is the classification of polynomials based on number of terms. Yes. Now we have the degree of a polynomial. How do we define the degree of a polynomial? If you are confident enough to answer this question, you can raise your hand. But from the first class onwards, I was stressing on the word. Okay, degree of a polynomial is something, I was underlining a word. Please don't miss that word and tell me the definition of degree. Yes, sir. Degree.
Okay, Shikhalaya.
Okay.
Ma'am, the degree of polynomial is the highest power of a variable in a polynomial.
Yes, very good. Highest power of the variable in a polynomial. I checked with my teacher and polynomial. Oh, okay. Next chapter. Then which is the next chapter, Samuel? And one more chat is there, ma'am. Can I see the chat box? Okay, the highest power. Can you take the first chapter? Okay, I will take that chapter very soon. Okay, let's finish this chapter very quickly and we will start the first chapter after this. Okay, quadratic coordinate geometry, right?
Quadratic
Coordinate geometry.
coordinate.
Yeah, degree of a polynomial is the highest power of variable in a polynomial. Yes, very good. And next we have the classification of polynomials based on their degree. So first degree polynomials are known as, or the polynomials with degree 1, they are known as? Sorry, hand raise.
Okay, Sanjit.
Yes, Sanjit, polynomials with degree 1.
Polynomials of degree 1 are linear polynomials.
Yes, linear polynomials are polynomials of degree 1. Very good. Then the second one?
And second one is cubic polynomial.
Cubic polynomials. So what are cubic polynomials?
So not cubic, but quadratic.
Quadratic polynomials. Yes, very good. What are quadratic polynomials?
And the highest power of the variable will be 2.
Yes, very good. Polynomial of degree 2. Very good. And what are cubic polynomials?
And highest power will be 3.
Yes, highest power will be 3. What about the fourth degree? Oh, it's not there in your syllabus. Yes, very good. Yeah, okay. So we have this classification of polynomials based on degree: linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. Yes, very good. Then we were discussing about the zeros of a polynomial. How do we define the zero of a polynomial? Okay. So whenever we have a polynomial, say p of x, and we have a number, say c, and at that point the value of that polynomial is 0. Okay, p of c is 0. For example, suppose we have a polynomial p of x is equal to x minus 3, and we are taking a point x is equal to 3, and at that point the value of this polynomial is 0. Okay, therefore this 3 is known as the zero of that polynomial. That is the definition of zeros of a polynomial. Okay, we already discussed all these things in the previous classes. This is just like a revision, quick revision. Okay, then we discussed about finding the zeros of a polynomial and we solved some questions. Yeah, and now today our topic is remainder theorem. Okay, this is the next topic. So we are going to start today's class and the first topic is remainder theorem. What is remainder theorem? Okay, so before dealing with this polynomials, let's take some numbers. Okay, for example, let's take 15 and 6. Okay, coordinate geometry. Okay, Samuel, let's see. Yeah, 15 and 6. We have two numbers, 15 and 6. And let's divide this 15 by 6. How do we divide the number by another number? You all know this, right? So 2 times 6 will be equal to 12. And we will get this 3 here. And this 3 is known as the remainder. Okay. So we are dividing 15 by 6. And this 15 is known as the dividend. Okay, 15 is known as the dividend because we are dividing 15 by another number. So we are dividing this 15. 15 is the main character here and it is known as the dividend. And we are dividing this 15 by another number, say 6. And the 6 is known as the divisor. Okay, 6 is known as the divisor. And this 2 is known as the quotient. 2 is known as the quotient and this 3 is known as the remainder, right? Okay, so whenever we have something like this, we are carrying out a division process and we are dividing 15 by 6. So 15 is the main character and 15 is the highest number here and it is known as the dividend. And we are dividing 15 by another number, say 6, and 6 is known as the divisor. Then 2, the number that we obtain as the quotient is 2 here, and this is known as the remainder. Okay, so this is just a usual division. Okay, yeah, so this is the quotient. No, 15 is the dividend, 6 is the divisor, 2 is the quotient and 3 is the remainder. Okay, in usual division. Now let's take two other numbers. Yeah, and see, we can write this 15 as 15 is equal to 6 into 2 plus 3. Okay, we can write 15 as the product of 6 and 2 plus 3. What is this? 6 into 2, 12 plus 3, and that is equal to 15. Okay, so we can write, what is this 15? 15 is equal to 6 into 2 plus 3. So we can see that 15 is the dividend. Okay, 15 is the dividend. So dividend is equal to 6 is the divisor. So divisor into 2 is the quotient. 2 is the quotient plus 3 is the remainder. Okay, 3 is the remainder. Yeah, so dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So we have a relation here. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder in just this division. Let's take some other number. For example, we are taking, so when we divide 15 by 6, we get the quotient as 2 and remainder as 3. Remainder 3 is less than the divisor 6. Similarly, if we divide 12 by 6, so here we have 12 and we are dividing this 12 by some other number, say 6. So this 12 is this quotient, remainder, dividend. What is this 12? Dividend. Okay, I can see one comment there, dividend. And 6 is the divisor. Yes, 6 is the divisor. And yeah, what about the quotient? Quotient will be, it's 2. Yes, 2 will be the quotient because 2 into 6 is 12. So quotient will be 2. And what is the remainder? Remainder is 0. Very good. So when we subtract this 12 from 12, we will get 0. So here the remainder is 0. Very good. So we can write this 12 as 12 is equal to 6 into 2 plus 0, or in other words, okay, here the remainder is 0. Sir, can you please remove the tag? Okay, here the remainder is 0, and here we can say that 6 is a factor of 12, or 12 is a multiple of 6. Here see, when we divided this 15 by 6, there was something called the remainder. Here the remainder was equal to 3. Okay, so we can't say that this 15, and here the remainder is 0. And here we can say that 12 is a multiple of 6, or 6 is a factor of 12, because the remainder is 0. Okay, you all know these things, okay, but I just want to extend this to polynomial. So before that, this thing must be clear for you. So whenever the remainder is 0, which means that this 12 is completely divisible by 6. So we can say that 6 is a factor of 12, or 12 is a multiple of 6. But here, what about this 15 and 6? 15 is not completely divisible by 6. Okay, 15 is not completely divisible by 6. When we divide 15 by 6, we will get some remainder, say 3. So here, this is not, 15 is not completely divisible by 6. So this is not a multiple. But here, since the remainder is 0, we can say that 6 is a factor of 12, or 12 is a multiple of 6. Okay. So, and here we have some important relation. 12 is equal to 6 into 2 plus 0. Here also we can say that 12 here was the dividend. So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. And we will extend this to polynomials, and it is known as the remainder theorem. That's it. Okay, it is, yeah, let's see. Okay, so this is the case of just numbers. Okay, we are dividing 12 by 6, a number by another number. What about polynomials? What about polynomials? So here we have a polynomial 2x cube plus x square plus x by the monomial x. So we have a polynomial here 2x cube plus x square plus x, and we have to divide this polynomial by another monomial, say x. How do we divide this polynomial by another polynomial? So in class 8, you have a chapter named Algebraic Expressions and Identities. Can you divide this polynomial by a monomial? Division of polynomials by another polynomials, then division of polynomial by monomial, all these things were there. Okay, any idea? Anybody?
Okay, Haifa.
Yes. Yes, Haifa.
X and x will be cancelled, so 2x cube plus x square will be the answer.
Okay, we can cancel this x and this x.
Yeah.
Are
that's
you
fine.
sure?
Yeah.
Okay, so the answer is 2x cube plus x square.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Any other answers?
Okay, Niranjan.
Yeah, what is your answer, Niranjan? The same answer.
No, ma'am, not the answer, ma'am. Ma'am, can you explain the remainder theorem again, ma'am? Because when the fire alarm went off in my house,
Okay.
something was burning, so I had to
Yeah, okay, we were about to discuss the reminder theorem. Reminder theorem is here only. Okay, I just want to say you this one. Okay, that is not the reminder theorem. I will tell you what is reminder theorem. Okay, this is something related to this one. Yeah, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is the thing that we can visualize or we can see when we do this usual division. This when we extend it to polynomials, we will arrive at some other conclusion and we will learn that reminder theorem later. But this is something related to the statement. That's it. Okay. We have this dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, but that is not the real reminder theorem. We will learn that later. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Then, yeah, we were discussing about this answer. Any other answers? Everybody have the same answer. It cannot be cancelled. Yes, who is that?
Okay, Shreta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah.
So in the numerator, there's an x in all the three terms.
Mhm.
So we could take an x outside as it is common in all the terms.
Yes, so this is the
So-
question, 2x cube plus x square plus x divided by x. So what we do is, we just take a common x outside. Yes, then?
2x square
Yes.
plus x, close bracket.
Close the bracket. What about the last term?
That x is outside, so it's 1.
Yes, plus 1. Yes.
And divided by x.
Yes.
Now you can cut the numerator and denominator,
Yes.
dx.
So the
And
answer
the
is
answer
2x
is
squared plus x plus 1 is the correct answer. This one is wrong. Okay, this is the correct answer. Because here, see, we have a plus sign in between them. I have a different answer. What is your answer, Sanjit?
Ma'am, I got the same answer, but I did a different button. I did division right here.
Okay, I think you divided each term by x, maybe. Okay, what was your method? Wait, okay, let me write it. 2x cubed plus x squared plus x divided by x. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Let's division, ma'am. I did division. 2x to the power 3.
Okay, like this. Wait.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
2x cubed plus x squared plus x, then by x. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Then after ma'am, x into 2 x to the power 2 gives us 2 x to the power 3.
Yes, okay.
If we minus them, we get 0. Then we have to break down the x to the power 2.
Okay.
Then plus x on top, ma'am.
Yes.
Plus x, so we'll get x to the power 2.
Yes.
We'll get 0, ma'am. We have to bring down the x,
Okay.
which is plus 1. Plus 1.
Yes, okay. Very good. I was about to teach you this one and you already saw this in that way. Okay, very good. Okay. Anyways, the answer is 2x squared plus x plus 1. You have different methods to solve this. Forget about this division process. You are new to this one. But about this one, you are not new to this. Okay, in class 8th also we have this chapter, algebraic expressions and identities. All these things were there. And there you can see that, suppose, forget about this polynomials and all. Suppose we have something like 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 4. Can I cancel this 4 and this 4? No, right? This is completely wrong if I cancel 1 4 from numerator and 1 4 from denominator when the numerator is 2 plus 3 plus 4. It is not possible if it was 2 into 3 into 4. Okay, if it was 2 into 3 into 4 divided by 4, then I can cancel 4 from numerator and denominator. Okay, I didn't understand this question. Wait a second, I will explain this again. Wait. Okay, this is the question. 2x cube plus x square plus x divided by x. We have to divide this polynomial by a monomial. This is a polynomial. Here we have 3 terms and this is a monomial. Only one term is there. So, I can't cancel 1x from here and 1x from there. That is wrong because suppose I have something like 2 plus 3 plus 5 divided by 3. If I cancel this 3 and this 3, that is wrong. I can't do like this. If it is 2 into 3 into 5, okay, if it was multiplication, then yes, I can cancel this 3 and this 3. But if it is subtraction or addition, I can't cancel one number from numerator and the other one from denominator. It's not possible. So what we have to do is, we have to take the common factors outside. So this was the polynomial 2x cube plus x squared plus x divided by x. What we have to do is, we have to take the common factors outside. So let's take a look at the numerator. If you are confused about this, writing this in a single step, I can write this 2x cube as 2 into x into x into x, because x cube means multiplying x 3 times, plus x into x, because x square means multiplying x 2 times, then plus x divided by x. Now we have to look for the common factors. Here we have 1x, here we have 1x, here also we have 1x. So x is common. When we consider the 3 terms, only common factor is x. We have to take that x outside. So x into 2x squared. After taking this x, we have 2, then x, then one more x. It is x squared and this is 2. So 2x squared. In the second term, we have 1x. And in the third term, we don't have anything, which means 1 is there. Okay. If it was 0, then it must be this term will not be there if it was 0, because 0 into x is 0. So this term is there, means after taking x, 1 is there. 1 into x was the term. So 1 is there, divided by x. So we can cancel this x and this x. So the answer will be 2x squared plus x plus 1. Okay, 2x squared plus x plus x plus 1. Or we have one more method. This is 2x cube plus x squared plus x divided by x. You can divide each term by x like this. 2x cube by x plus x squared by x plus x by x. Okay, you can do it like this also. So here it will be 2x cube by x will be equal to 2x squared, then x squared by x will be equal to x, and x by x will be equal to 1. Then we have the division method. Okay, we will discuss about that later. So we have 2 methods. As for now, we have 2 methods. First one is this one and this is the second method. Yeah, that's it. You can compare it with some numbers. Suppose I have something, say 8 plus 4 plus 6 divided by 2. Okay, so you can just add all of them together, then only you can divide that by 2. Or you can just take a 2 outside as common from all the terms. So 2 into 4 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 2. Then you can cancel 2 from both numerator and denominator. This one is very much similar to that one. Or we have this one 8 plus 4 plus 6 divided by 2. So you can divide each term by that 2. Okay, so you have 2 different methods. First one is this one after taking the common factor outside, and this is the second one. Is it clear? Is it clear? Any doubts? Anybody? If you have any doubts, you can raise your hand. Any doubts?
Okay, Daniel.
Okay. Yes, Daniel, what is your
That's
doubt?
it. Teacher, I don't understand the division method that x divided by 2x square
This
plus
one.
x plus. Yes,
Okay.
teacher, I don't understand
Yeah.
how we.
So here in the denominator we have 1x, which means we have to divide each term by x. No, we have three terms here. First term is 2x cube, second term is x squared, and third term is x. So the three terms divided by x means I have to divide each term by x. So here the first term is 2x cube, so 2x cube divided by x. Second term is x squared, so x squared divided by x, and third term is x divided by x. Now we have to divide 2x cube by x. What is 2x cube? 2x cube is actually 2 into x into x into x divided by x. This is actually 2x cube by x. Okay, 2x cube means 2 into x multiplied 3 times. So we can just cancel 1x from numerator and denominator and 1x from numerator. So 2 into x square is there. Okay. Okay. Yeah, again we have x square by x square means x into x divided by x. So we can cancel 1x from numerator and 1 from denominator. So we will get 1x there. And again it is x by x, so it is 1. Okay? Yeah. We learned this in factorization. Oh, okay. Yeah, any doubts, anybody, about this methods? Any doubts? No. Okay, fine. And here we have another question. Divide p of x by g of x. P of x and g of x are some names that we give to this polynomials, where p of x is x plus 3x square minus 1 and g of x is 1 plus x. So what we can do now? First one is x plus 3x square minus 1 divided by 1 plus x. If it was just 1x, we can take some x from the numerator. Again, if we take x from the numerator, here it is 1. So what do we do in such cases? What we can do is log division. Okay, in the previous question also, one person, I think it was Sanjit, he solved that problem using the long division method. Okay, just like we divide 15 by 6, we do something like this, division. Okay, so 2 6 are 12, so we will get the remainder 3. We can also use this, or we can extend this process to the polynomials, and we can find the answer. And we have some 6 steps to follow. The first step is we carry out the process of division by means of the following steps. And the first step is we write the dividend. So we have to divide this x plus 3x square minus 1 by 1 plus x. We have to do this. And here the dividend is x plus 3x square minus 1. And this is the divisor, right? Okay, so what we do is we write the dividend x plus 3x square minus 1 and the divisor 1 plus x in the standard form. Okay, we will always write the dividend and divisor in the standard form. That is, after arranging the terms in the descending order of their degrees or their powers. So the dividend is 3x squared plus x minus 1 and the divisor is, we have to arrange the terms in the descending order of their degrees. Here it was given as x plus 3x squared minus 1. That was the question given. But we have to rearrange the terms. Here the power is 2. So we have to arrange them in the descending order of their powers. So 3x squared. After that x raised to 1 will come. And then 1, the constant term. Okay, so we have to rearrange the terms in the descending order of their degrees. Okay, that is the first step. We have to write the dividend and divisor. Yeah, you can always consider this 15 by 6 here. Okay, here this is the dividend and this is the dividend and this is the divisor. Similarly, here we have the dividend and this is the divisor. Okay. Yeah, so the dividend is 3x squared plus x minus 1 after arranging it in the descending order of their powers, and the divisor will be x plus 1. Here it was given as 1 plus x, but After rearranging, we will get it as x plus 1. That is the first step. You have to rearrange the terms in the descending order of their powers and then write it like this. That is the first step. So the first step is okay, right? Yeah, that is the first step. What is the second step? We divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. So here 3x squared plus x plus 1, this is the dividend, and the divisor is x plus 1. So what is the first step? We divide the first term of the dividend. Which is the first term of the dividend here? First term of the dividend is 3x squared, and we have to divide that 3x squared by first term of the divisor. So we have to divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. So it's previous slide. Okay. So we have to divide the first term of the dividend. Okay, so before moving to the steps, you must be familiar with these words like dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder and all these things. Because here see, we have the second step. Divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. And you are still confused about this dividend and divisor means you don't know what to do. Okay, so which is the dividend here? This is the dividend. And this is the divisor. Okay, so you have to divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. So it's like 3x squared by x. What is 3x squared by x? We can unmute someone and ask them, what is 3x squared by x? Previous slide, okay. 3x squared by x. Yeah, hand raise.
Okay. Azalfa.
Okay, what is 3x squared by x?
3x squared by x is equal to 3x.
Very good. It is equal to 3x. Okay. Any doubts about this one? 3x squared, we can write it as 3 into x divided by x. So we can cancel one x from denominator and one x from numerator. So we will get it as 3x. Okay. 3x. Yeah. So in the first step, we have to rearrange the terms in the descending order of their powers. Then in the second step, we have to divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. We write down the steps. It is there in your textbook. If you want this, you can write, or okay, they are not going to ask like write the steps for division. It's not like that. Some question will be given like this: divide the polynomial by the other one. Okay, yeah. So step 2 is clear, right? Any doubts about step 2? No. Okay, so we have to divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. Now the third step is we multiply the divisor by the first term of the quotient. Wait a second here. Okay. So here we just divided the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor, right? And we got this as 3x. We have to write that 3x quotient. So when we divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor, we will get a value, and that value will be the first term of the quotient, or just understand whichever value you get here, just write it here in place of quotient. Okay, this is the place for quotient and you have to write that value over there. Okay, yeah, 3x. Now in the third step, we multiply the divisor by the first term of the quotient and subtract this product from the dividend. That is, okay, so what is the third step, or which is the step 3? We multiply the divisor by the first term of the quotient. So in the first term, we rearranged the terms in the descending order of their powers. Okay, and then we divided the first term of the divisor by the first term of the dividend, like, okay, first term of the dividend by the first term of divisor, and we got something like 3x. That is the first term of the quotient. Now up to that part, okay, it's okay. Now what is step 3? we multiply the divisor. This is the divisor. We multiply the divisor by the first term of the quotient. So this is the first term of the quotient, and we have to multiply this quotient with the first term. Okay, we have to multiply this first term of the quotient with this x plus 1, or okay, any doubts? Is it okay? We multiply the divisor. This is the divisor, right? This is the divisor, and this is the place for quotient, and we just got one value here. It is 3x. So 3x is the first term of the quotient, and we multiply this 3x with this divisor. Okay, so we have to multiply 3x with x plus 1. 3x into x plus 1. So we have to multiply 3x with x plus 1. You have to carry out that process using distributive law. Okay, 3x into x plus 1. 3x into x plus 1. So you have to multiply 3x into x first. So it will be 3x squared plus 3x into 1. So it will be 3x. 3x squared plus 3x, and you have to write that here, 3x squared plus x, and then subtract the product 3x squared plus, okay, this is 3x. Okay, this is 3x, and I just wrote 1x here. It is 3x. 3x squared plus 3x is the product. Okay, 3x squared plus 3x is the product. Just write that product over there. And after this, subtract the product 3x squared plus 3x from the dividend 3x squared plus x minus 1. This gives us the remainder as minus 2x minus 1. Okay, wait. In step number 2, it was there. Yes. Hand raise. Okay, who is that?
Never mind.
Nirmai? Nirmai? Nirmai, can you hear me? Nirmai?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what are we doing? What is this actually?
Ma'am, this is what
Multiplication. Division. Division of?
I got confused. Division of this, what was it called? Ma'am, I don't get his name.
Polynomials, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay, fine.
Apollo. He is sleeping here.
Ah, I know. I know. I just saw him. He was sleeping. That's why I called him. Nirmai, why did you turn off your camera? Is there any problem? Are you okay? Okay, Nirmai, what is a monomial?
Ma'am, monomials means when a term has one variable.
One variable.
What was it? One term.
One term. Okay, polynomials having only one term. Then what is a quadratic polynomial?
Quadratic polynomial means a term containing a polynomial containing more than one term. I mean, containing four terms.
Containing four terms. Okay. Then what is the degree of a polynomial?
Degree of the polynomial means the highest number raised to a variable.
Okay, for example, suppose I have 3x square plus 4x plus 2 raised to 4. What is the degree of this polynomial?
2.
2. Okay, so the degree is the highest power of variable, right?
Yes.
Yes, now tell me, what is a quadratic polynomial? You told me the polynomial is having more than 4 terms, but that is wrong. What is a quadratic polynomial?
Quadratic.
Wait, what is a linear polynomial? What is a linear polynomial?
Linear polynomial means the polynomial which is having more than which have the multiplication of 2.
No.
Number like.
No. Okay, do one thing. Just write this definition of like linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, and cubic polynomial 5 times and just send it to me. Okay. Yeah, linear polynomial means polynomials having degree 1. Quadratic polynomials means polynomials having degree 2. And cubic polynomials are polynomials having degree 3. Okay, monomial, it was correct. When I asked you about monomial, you said the correct answer. Polynomials having only one term. Okay, one term. And binomials means 2 terms will be there. Trinomials means 3 terms will be there. And here, this is the classification based on degree. So, here the degree is 1, linear polynomial. Quadratic polynomial degree is 2. And cubic polynomial degree is 3. Okay? Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Eid Mubarak, yes. Okay. Who is that? Rishikesh, right? Okay. Okay, guys, let's go back to this one. So, what we have to do is multiply this 3x with x plus 1. Okay, multiply 3x with x plus 1. So, we get 3x into x plus 1. 3x into x plus 1 will be 3x into x, which is 3x squared, plus 3x into 1, which is 3x. So, we have to write that here, 3x squared plus 3x. And the second step or the sub part. Okay, for the step 3, we have first part and the second part. This is the first part. And then the second part is subtract this product. So, we have to subtract 3x squared from 3x squared. So, we will get 0. Then x minus 3x. Okay, we are subtracting. This is like 3x squared plus x minus 1. Then 3x squared plus 3x. We are going to subtract this from 3x squared plus x minus 1. So, the first one will be 3x squared minus 3x squared, that is 0. Then this is x minus 3x and that is negative 2x. So, we will get negative 2x. Okay. And then what we have to do is, okay, here negative 1 is there. Okay, negative 1. This is the step number 3. Let me explain this once again. So, we will get something like this in the second step. Okay, 3x was the first term of the quotient. Now, what we have to do is, we have to multiply this 3x with x plus 1. Okay, so we will get 3x squared plus 3x. Okay, if you are confused about this multiplication, you can always write it like this. 3x into x plus 1. If you are confused, then only you have to write it like this. Otherwise, you can write it here only. Okay, so 3x into x will be 3x squared plus 3x into 1 will be 3x. Okay, 3x squared plus 3x. Now what we have to do is subtract this. Okay, so 3x squared, just like this one. Okay, 15 by 6, what we do is 2. Then 2 into 6 is 12. Then we subtract this 12 from 15, right? Just like that, you have to subtract this 3x squared plus 3x from this dividend. Okay, and you will get 0 minus 2x minus 1. Is it okay? Up to this part, is it okay?
Step 3.
Step 3. Okay, step 3. Any doubts? Yes, Niranjan?
Ma'am, can I know how was it minus 2x?
Minus 2x. Okay, this is 3x squared plus x minus 1, and from that we have to subtract 3x squared plus 3x. Okay, so it's like this negative sign is applicable to all the terms inside the bracket. So we have to change the sign. 3x squared plus x minus 1 minus 3x squared minus 3x. So 3x squared and minus 3x squared we can cancel, and this is plus x minus 3x. What is plus x minus 3x? It is negative 2x, then negative 1 is there. That is how it is, negative 2x.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
You didn't understand. Yeah, wait. Okay, so 3x squared plus 3x. Wait. So we have to subtract 3x squared plus 3x from 3x squared plus x minus 1, and from this we have to subtract 3x squared plus 3x, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and this is inside the bracket. This 3x squared plus 3x is inside a bracket, which means this negative sign is applicable to all the terms inside the bracket. So when we open the bracket, we have to give that negative sign to all the terms. So it will become negative 3x squared, negative 3x. Because that negative sign is applicable to all the terms inside the bracket. Okay, now we can only add or subtract the like terms, right? We can't add this 3x squared and x. We can only add or subtract the like terms. So here we have a term with x squared. So it is 3x squared. And here also we have a term with x squared. So let's write them together. Okay, because they are like terms. So we can only add or subtract like terms. So we are writing them together. Yeah. And here we have one x. Okay, this is x raised to 1. So we have one plus x. And here we have one negative 3x. Here also the power of x is 1. So they are like terms. We can write that together. Now only one negative 1 is there. Is it okay till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now what about 3x squared minus 3x squared? What is 3x squared minus 3x squared?
Isn't it 0?
Yes, that is 0. Then x minus 3x.
2x.
What is then x? 3x minus x.
That's 2x.
3x minus x is 2x. So what is x minus 3x?
It would be minus 2x.
Yes, minus 2x. So this is minus 2x minus 1. That is how we got this negative 2x negative 1.
Okay. I know, understood.
Yes, okay. Yeah, okay Sanchit. Any other doubts guys about the step 3? Anybody?
Rishikesh.
Yes, Rishikesh, any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yeah, there we have a hand raised, man.
Abid
Yes, Abid.
and Ruben Vijay also.
Okay. Yes, Abid.
How do you get minus x?
Minus x. Where?
3x minus x equals to 2x per 2x.
Yeah, 3x minus x is 2x, right?
Ma'am, how do you get minus x?
How do you get minus x? Where? Here, minus 2x.
Yes.
Okay, here it is x minus 3x. Okay, if it is, see, 3 minus 1 is 2. But 1 minus 3 is negative 2, right?
Yes.
Yeah, just like that one, 3x minus x is 2x, positive 2x. But x minus 3x is negative 2x. If we are subtracting a smaller number from a bigger number, we will always get a positive value. But if we are subtracting a bigger number from a smaller number, we will always get a negative value. Just like that, here 3x minus x is...
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm not understanding this step 3, ma'am. Like the 3x squared plus n, I didn't understand.
Okay. So up to step 2, it was okay, right? Step 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Now what we have to do is, we have to multiply this 3x with x plus 1. Can you multiply
Okay.
this 3x and x plus 1 using distributive law? 3x and x plus 1. Just like 3x into x.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
3
3x.
into x. So
What?
3x squared.
Yes, 3x squared. Then 3x into 1.
3.
Just 3.
Plus
3x
3.
into
So,
1.
plus 3. 3x.
Yeah,
3x squared plus 3x.
Yes, 3x squared plus 3x. Are you okay with this one? Okay, how
Yes,
do you multiply 2x and say x minus 1?
So 2x into 2x will be 2x squared.
Yes, okay.
Then 2 into 1 will be, so 2x squared minus 2x.
Yes, okay, that part is okay. Yeah, then. So here we got 3x squared plus 3x and we have to write that here. Okay, 3x squared plus 3x. We have to write that here. Just like 15 by 6. Consider 15 by 6. We will get 2 into 6 is 12. We will write that here, no? That's how we do this. Okay. Now what is the next step? We will subtract this 12 from 3, right? 12 from 15, right? And we will get
Yes,
3.
ma'am.
Yeah. So here also we have to do that. We have to subtract this 3x squared plus 3x from this 3x squared plus x minus 1. Just like we subtract 12 from 15, we have to subtract this one. Okay. Yeah. Now see, what is 3x squared minus 3x squared?
3x minus 3 0.
0. Yeah, 3 because 3 minus 3 is 0. 3x minus 3x is 0. 3x square minus 3x square is 0. We are subtracting the same things. Yeah. So we will get
Yes.
0. Now what is x minus 3x? X
X minus, where will it be minus 3x?
x minus 3x, which means just like 1 minus 3. What is 1 minus 3?
1 minus 3 was 2x, right?
Just consider 1 and 3. We don't have any x here. Just 1 minus 3. What is 1 minus 3?
2.
Okay, then what is 3 minus 1?
2.
3 minus 1 is 2 and 1 minus 3 is also 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure? Okay, no.
Yeah.
Wait. Suppose we have a number line. Okay, and here is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, this is -1, -2, -3, like that. Okay, and we are standing on 1. Okay, 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 means negative sign means we will always go to the left side. So 1, 2, 3.
3.
Okay, if it is 1 plus 3 or 1 plus 2, we will always go to the positive side. Okay, I forgot to write 0 here. Wait, okay. This is 1, 0, and -1, -2, -3, and this is 1, 2, 3. Just a number line, and we are standing on 1. We have to find 1 minus 3, and I have to find 1 plus 3. So if it is plus or if it is addition, we will always go to the right side, and if it is subtraction, we will always go to the left side. Okay, and this is 1 minus 3. So I have to go 3 steps to the LHS. So it becomes -2. And if it is 1 plus 3, I have to go 3 steps forward, and it will be
Like 3. No, sorry. 3 step forward, right?
yeah.
So it will be 3 plus 1 will be 4.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yes, 4. Yeah, here again. 2, 3, 4. Yes, it will be 4. Okay, so we will always get a positive value. If it is 1 plus 3, we will always get a positive value because we are moving forward or we are moving to the left side. But if it is negative, we will always go to the left side. Okay. Yeah, and one more thing here, it was 1 minus 3 and 3 minus 1. So again we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 0, -1, -2, like that. 1 minus 3. So we are standing on 1 and we have to find 1 minus 3. So I have to move to the left side or right side. It is 1 minus 3.
Left side.
Left side.
I think left side.
Yes. So 1, 2, 3. It is
-2.
-2. Okay, and what about the second one? It is 3 minus 1. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 0, -1, -2, and all these things. And now it is 3 minus 1. I am standing on this 3 and I have to find 3 minus 1. So I have to move left side or right side?
3 minus 1. So ma'am, you have to move left side.
Left side. So here it is plus 2.
Plus 2.
Okay, so see, we are subtracting a bigger number. 3 is bigger than 1 and we are subtracting a bigger number from a smaller number. We will always get a negative value. But if you are subtracting a smaller number from a bigger number, we will get a positive value.
Positive value, okay.
Yeah, so 1 minus 3 is -2 and 3 minus 1 is 2. Positive 2.
Plus 2. So
Yes.
Positive 2.
Yeah, so here 1 minus 3 is -2 and 3 minus 1 is positive 2.
Positive 2.
Yeah, so here, okay, see 1 minus 3 is -2. Suppose along with this 1, I have 1x minus 3x. What will be 1x minus 3x?
1x minus 3x will be minus 3x square.
1x?
Sorry, minus 2x square.
Yeah, 2x square.
Yes.
No, it's like, okay, wait. X into x is x square. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
but x plus x is 2x.
X.
2x.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, x plus x means 1x plus 1x, it is 2x.
X is equal to 2x. Yes.
Okay, then x plus 2x. What is x plus 2x?
2x. 3x, right?
3x, yes. What is 2x plus 3x?
2x plus 3x will be 5x.
Yes, 5x. This is how it works. X into x is x square. Okay, wait. What is 2x square plus 3x square?
2x square plus 3x square will be
5?
5x square.
Yes,
5x.
5x square. You are right. 5x square. Okay, if it is multiplication, the power will change. If it is x into x, the power will change. But if it is addition, only the coefficient will change. There will not be any changes for the power of x. Okay, only the coefficient will change. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so here, what is 1x minus 3x?
Oh, so 1x minus 3x will be 2 minus 2.
Minus 2?
Minus 2x.
Yes, minus 2x. So that is how we got this minus 2x here. Okay, and
Okay.
minus 1 was there. Okay. Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have like another small doubt. Like in the 3x square plus x minus 1, right, ma'am? But when we did that, it became plus. Like I forgot how we made it as plus. But it should be minus, right?
Where? Here.
Yes, ma'am.
This is negative 1 and we don't have any number here. Okay, we don't have any number
Yeah.
here means this is actually 0. Okay, we can just write it as 0. So negative 1 minus 0 or negative 1 plus 0, whatever
Plus
happens,
0.
it is just that number only. Okay, when we
Okay.
add or subtract 0 with any number, we will get the same number only. This is negative 1 and we are just adding or subtracting a 0 with that, we will get the same number only. 0 has no role. Okay, whatever we do with the 0, we will get that same number only, except multiplication. Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank
So,
you.
yes. Okay. What? Okay. So, negative 2x minus 1. Any other doubts? Any other doubts about step 3? Okay. So, what we have to do is multiply this one and we will get something like this. Yeah, that is step number 2. Now, what is step number 4? We treat the remainder minus 2x minus 1 as the new dividend. So, after doing all the steps, first step, we just rearranged the terms and write it like this, ascending order of their powers. Then, we got something 3x. After dividing 3x squared by x, we got 3x. Then we multiplied 3x and x plus 1 and we will get something like 3x squared plus 3x here. Then after subtracting, we will get minus 2x minus 1. That was step number 3. Now let's move to step number 4. What is step number 4? Here we treat the remainder minus 2x minus 1 as the new dividend. So see, in this step, we have this. Okay, let's move back to the step number 3. In step number 3, this was the dividend. Okay, this is the dividend. This is the divisor. This is the quotient. And this is the remainder, right? We have the dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder here. Okay, in step number 3. Now what we do is, here the remainder is minus 2x minus 1. No, we will consider this remainder as the new dividend. So now we are just leaving this dividend and we are going to consider this as the new dividend. So this is the new dividend. Minus 2x minus 1 is the new dividend. Okay. Minus 2x minus 1 will be the new dividend. The divisor remains the same. Okay, so now we are going to forget about this dividend. Everything else is same. The divisor is x plus 1 only, but the dividend will change to this remainder. We will consider the remainder of previous step as the new dividend. Okay, the divisor remains the same. We repeat step 2 to get the next term of the quotient. That is, we divide the first term minus 2x of the new dividend by the first term x of the divisor and we obtain negative 2. What about the all dividend? Just forget about the all dividend. Okay, the all its all is over. We are just going to consider this as the new dividend. Forget about the old dividend. Okay, this is the new dividend. So we have, forget about this one. We have, please don't cross like this. Okay, I just want to show you this, that's why. Okay, so this is the new dividend and this is the divisor. Now we are going to repeat step number 2. What was step number 2? In step number 2, we divided the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. That was step number 2. Okay. Step number 2c, here in step number 2, we divided the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. So we have to repeat that step here. We have to divide the first term of the new dividend by the first term of the divisor. So it's minus 2x divided by x and we will get a negative 2 here. That will be the next term of the quotient. Just repeat the step number 2. What was step number 2? We just divided the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. So 3x square divided by x. We just did that and we got 3x and that was the first term of the quotient. Okay, that was step number 2. We have to repeat the same step here. Here we are treating this as the new dividend. Okay, this is the new dividend. So we have to divide the first term of this dividend by the first term of the divisor. That is minus 2x divided by x. We will get negative 2 and that is the second term of the quotient. Okay. Okay. Step 4, is it okay? Okay, now you have to repeat step 3. What was step number 3? We multiplied this 3x. Okay, we multiplied this 3x with x plus 1 and we just wrote it here and then we just subtracted. Okay, just like 15 by 6. We have to multiply this 2 and 16. We have to write it here and then we have to subtract. The same thing we have to do here also. We have to multiply this negative 2 and x plus 1. Okay, we have to multiply. Okay, wait. We have to multiply this negative 2 and x plus 1. So we will get negative 2x, negative 2. Okay, we are multiplying this negative 2 and x plus 1. So we will get negative 2x, then negative 2. That is negative 2x, then negative 2. Again, we have to subtract. So negative 2x, yeah, here is the problem. Not a problem, but just be careful. Okay, we are subtracting this. Negative 2x, then minus 1, then minus, here we have a negative sign. So it's like if you are confused about this one, just write it here. Okay, negative 2x, then negative 1, then here we have a negative sign and then negative 2x, just like this. Okay, minus 2x minus 1, then we have a negative sign here, just that sign of subtraction, then minus 2x minus 2. So it will be minus 2x minus 1, then this is negative into negative will be positive, so plus 2x, then plus 2. Okay, yeah, so here just understand this. Change the sign. Okay, if it is subtraction, this is negative 2x, negative 2x, which means minus 2x minus 2x. So it will be minus 2x plus 2x, that will be 0. Then this is minus 1 minus 2. So it is minus 1 minus 2 will be minus 1 plus 2, that is 1. Okay.
Okay, Niranjan.
Yes, Niranjan?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, after minus 2x minus 1, is there a minus after it? Like for all the time there will be a minus?
Yeah, we are subtracting this. Okay, just see this. 15 by 6. Okay, 2, 12. Then we will subtract this, no? There is no sign, but we are subtracting this. After multiplying, we will subtract that number from 15, right? That
Yes,
is
ma'am.
why we have a negative sign. It is not written there, but it is there still. Here, it is there, no? That is how.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, is it clear? Any doubts? We will solve more questions, then it will be clear. Okay, any doubts here? So here the reminder in the final step, this was the first step. Okay, in the first step we just rearrange the terms and write it in the ascending order of their powers. Then we divided the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor, so we will get 3x. We just have to write that 3x there as the first term of the quotient. Then multiply this 3x and x plus 1, so we will get 3x squared plus 3x. We have to write that there, 3x squared plus 3x. Then we have to subtract. Then when we subtract, we will get minus 2x minus 1. Now we will consider this as the new dividend. Okay, we will consider this as the new dividend. Again repeat the same step. Minus 2x divided by x. First divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. So minus 2x by x, it will be minus 2. We have to write that as the second term of the quotient. Then just multiply this minus 2 with x plus 1. We will get minus 2x minus 2. Okay. Yeah. Minus 2x. This is minus 2. Minus 2x minus 2. And then, yeah. That's it. Just subtract and you will get the answer. Okay. I know this is a little difficult, but still, don't worry. Okay, we will solve one simple question. Then it will be okay. Okay, here we solve one question like this. Okay, 2x cubed plus x squared plus x by the monomial x. Let's try to solve this using that long division method. Okay, this question is very easy. We just have one monomial there. So 2x cubed plus x squared plus x divided by x. What was the first step? What was the first step? We have to rearrange the terms in the descending order of their powers. So this is already in the descending order of their powers, right? 3, 2 and 1. So no need of step 1. So step 1 is done. Now, what is step number 2? Step number 2. What was step number 2? Step number 2. Who is ready to read the step number 2 for divide? Who is that? Divide the first term of the dividend with the divide. Yeah, we can unmute someone, ma'am.
Okay, Chandru.
Yes, Chandru. What is step number 2?
Ma'am, we should multiply first term of dividend and first term of divisor.
Multiply or divide?
Divide.
Divide. Yes, very good. So we have to divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. So it's 2x cubed divided by x. And what is 2x cubed divided by x? Ma'am, unmute someone. 2x cubed divided by x.
Okay, let's ask Aradhana.
Yes, Aradhana. What is 2x cubed divided by x?
Study, wait for the minute. Let me do and tell you answer.
Okay.
Let's ask someone else.
Wait for her. Others, you can comment your answer. Yes. Yeah, correct.
2x squared.
2x squared. Yes, very good. It is 2x squared. Okay. So that it is 2x squared. And I have to do something with this 2x squared. What can I do with this 2x squared? I have to write it somewhere. Yeah, we have some hand raises, ma'am. We can ask them. I have to write this 2x squared as the... Ma'am.
Okay, Ayman.
Yes, Ayman. I have to write this 2x squared as the...
At this one question, please.
Quotient. Yes, very good. So I have to write this 2x square here in this place for quotient. Yes, very good. Now what is the next step? What is the next step?
Okay, let's ask Sanjit.
Yes, Sanchit, what is next step?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
2x power 3 minus.
okay, I have to multiply this 2x square with x, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So 2x square into x will be 2x cube. Yes, then?
Then that will become 0, ma'am. Then x into x. Yes, sir. X into X will give us X to the power 2.
Okay, 0. Yes, that's okay. That's okay, Sanjit. Very good. I know you know the answer because you already solved this question in this method. Yeah, very good. Okay, so what is the next step? We have to multiply this 2x square and x, and we will get this 2x cube. Just subtract. Okay, after writing this, just like this. Okay, 15 by 6. Again, I'm taking the same example. So 2 into 6 is 12. So just like the subtraction, I have to subtract this 12 from 15. Just like that, subtract this 2x square cube and 2x cube. We will get a 0. Now, okay, 0 and then x square plus x. Yeah, it's there. Now, what is the next step? I have to consider this as the new. I have to consider this as the new.
Okay, let's ask Atul.
Yes, Adul, this is the new.
Ma'am, quotient?
Quotient. No, quotient is something that we write over here. This is the new. This 15. This 15 is known as the.
Ma'am, the dividend.
Yes, dividend. Yeah, very good. So this will be the new dividend. We will consider this as the new dividend. Yeah, this is the new dividend. Yes, very good. Now, what is the next step? One hand raise, ma'am.
Abid.
Yes, Abid, what is the next step?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Like last problem, like when we got 3, okay?
3x. Yeah.
Yeah. So we wrote 3x square plus 3x.
Yes.
So we should also write over here 2x cube plus 2x cube square.
Okay, wait. 2x cube. Wait. Okay. 2x cube plus x squared. Okay, that happened just because, okay, what we have to do is, we have to multiply this quotient with the divisor. Okay, we have to multiply the quotient with the divisor. Here the quotient is 2x squared and the divisor is x. So we will get only one single term, which is 2x cube. But here when we consider this 3x, here it was 3x and the divisor was x plus 1. So when we multiply them together, we will get two terms, 3x square plus 3x. Only because this was a binomial. Okay, x plus 1. The divisor was a binomial. That's why in this multiplication we have two terms. But here this is a monomial. Okay, here we just have a single term. This is a monomial. So when we multiply them, we will get only one term, which is 2x cube. Okay, if it was x plus 1, then 2x square into x plus 1, yes, definitely we will get two terms. But here, since this is a monomial, which means only one term is there, after multiplication, we have to write only one term there. Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, this is a mess. Wait. So 2x cube plus x square plus x divided by x. So we will get 2x square, then 2x cube. Okay, x square plus x. Yeah. Now what we have to do? X square plus x. After getting this x square plus x, what we have to do? Yeah, we have a hand raise, ma'am.
Ayman.
Yes, Ayman.
Yes, ma'am, that we will take this one. X square, we'll take x square.
Yes, x square.
Divide by x.
Yes, divide by x. First term of the new dividend. This is the new dividend. Divide the first term of the new dividend by the divisor. So we will get?
We'll get x.
X. And I have to write
Then
this x.
Into x is again x square.
Yeah, then I have to write it as the second term of the quotient. Yeah.
Yeah. And
Yes.
also, and then x into x is basically x square, so you subtract it with x square, you get 0.
Okay.
Then you have x with
Yeah, again the new dividend is x.
Yeah, so then x divided by x, you get 1.
Yes.
And then 1 into x is basically x, so you do subtract by x again, you get 0.
Yes.
So you get 2x square plus x plus 1, the answer.
Very good, very good, very good. So we already solved this question using some other methods, and we will get the same value here. Okay, 2x squared plus x plus 1. This was the answer. When we do this division using some other methods, we got this value, same value. Now after dividing or after this long division, we are again getting the same answer, 2x squared plus x plus 1. Okay. Is it clear, this long division? Is it okay? Yeah, we have a hand raised, ma'am.
Muhammad Zuhair.
Okay. Yes, Zuhair. Any doubt?
No, ma'am, I don't have doubt. I just hand raised because I wanted to answer.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, guys. Any doubts about this division process? Okay, we can solve more questions like all the exercise questions and then exam questions. Then this thing will be very clear. Okay. Yeah. Now it's time for exam. Some questions will be okay. I was planning to take some more topics, but I couldn't. So some questions will be difficult, so you can just leave that question because I haven't discussed that portion today. So just leave that. Other questions you can answer, but before that, let me give you a clue. Okay, we know how to find. We have a polynomial p of x is equal to x minus 2. We know how to. Yeah, sir. Just tell them it's time for exam. And yeah, we know how to find the value of this polynomial at a particular point. Say p, if it is x is equal to 1, at that point it is 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. Okay, we know how to find the value of a polynomial at a particular point. If this is confusing you, just leave that. Okay, there are some questions from this topic because I was planning to cover this portion today. Yeah, so that's why. If x minus a is a factor, then p of a will be 0. Suppose I have a polynomial, okay, and I just factorized it. Okay, let me see the questions first and then only that part. Okay. Let me tell you this one. Okay, forget about that one. Remainder theorem. What is remainder theorem? If p of x is a polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. Okay, we have any polynomial p of x, say x plus 1, degree greater than or equal to 1. Here the degree is 1. Then we have some other polynomial x square plus 2x plus 1. Here the degree is 2. So we have any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1, and let a be any real number. Okay, if p of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. Okay, so just take a polynomial, say x plus 2. No, not x plus 2. Yeah, okay, x plus 2. We have a polynomial x plus 2, and this polynomial is being divided by some other polynomial, say x minus a. So I am dividing this. Let's take x square plus 2. This is a polynomial and I am dividing this polynomial by x minus 2. Okay, x minus 2. Without doing the whole division, I can say that the remainder will be equal to p of 2. Okay, we will get some remainder here and its value will be equal to p of 2. Let's just take this one. Here, okay, it was x plus 1. Okay, just this one. Okay, yeah, we have any polynomial, say 2x square plus x plus 2, and I am dividing this polynomial by x minus 1. Then the remainder I obtain here will be the value of this polynomial at the point 1. Okay, I am dividing by x minus 1. So the remainder I get here will be equal to the value of this polynomial at the point 1. Okay, I have a polynomial 2x square plus 2x plus 1 and I am dividing this polynomial by a linear polynomial x minus 1. I have to find the remainder. Without doing the whole steps, I can say that the remainder will be p of 1, which means I have to substitute the value. Okay, 2 into 1 square plus 2 into 1 plus 1. This is 2 plus 2 plus 1, which is 5. Okay, 5 will be the remainder when I divide this polynomial by x minus 1. That's it. Okay, if I am dividing this polynomial by x plus 1, okay, if I am dividing this polynomial by x plus 1, then the remainder will be p of minus 1. Okay, if I am dividing it by x minus 1, the remainder will be p of 1. Here it is negative, but here it is positive. But if I am dividing it by x plus 1, the remainder will be p of minus 1. What is p of minus 1? Just replace this x with minus 1. So 2 into negative 1 square plus 2 into negative 1 plus 1. So this is 2 minus 2 plus 1. So 1 will be the remainder. That's it. Okay. If you are finding it difficult, just leave this. Okay, I have some problems or questions from this topic. I have added some questions. That's why I'm discussing this. Don't worry, we will discuss this again in the next class. Okay, if we can answer those questions, then it's okay. Otherwise, just leave that. Okay, so if we divide a polynomial by x minus 1, suppose we are dividing a polynomial by x minus 1, p of 1 will be the remainder. If we are dividing a polynomial by x minus 2, p of 2 will be the remainder. Okay, if we are dividing by x plus 1, p of minus 1 will be the remainder. If we are dividing by x plus 2, p of negative 2 will be the remainder. If we are dividing by x minus a is any number, p of a will be the remainder. And if we are dividing it by x plus a p of negative a will be the remainder. Okay, you don't have to write this. I will explain this in the next class. Okay, yeah, that's it. Yeah, now we can attend the exam. Yeah, it's time for exam. If you are finding such questions difficult, just leave that. Okay, you can just leave that because we haven't discussed this portion in detail. We will discuss this in the next class. Okay, if you can answer that, then it's very good. Okay. Yeah, so here we have some questions. Choose the correct relation. How to answer, how to attend the exam. Just minimize your Zoom. There you can see a blue button, enter the exam. Or if you can't find that, just refresh your page. Then it will be visible. Okay. Yeah, choose the correct relation from the following. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend plus divisor is equal to quotient plus remainder. Something. Okay, you have 4 options. Just choose the correct relation from this following 4 options. Now, if the remainder obtained on dividing p of x is equal to x cube plus 1, everybody got this link for exam, right? Is there anyone who is still struggling to get the link? No. If the remainder obtained on dividing p of x is equal to x cube plus 1 by x plus 1 is 0, then the quotient, we have this relationship between dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. So if we know the remainder, quotient, then dividend and all this, we can find the other one. Here we need to find the quotient and remainder is given. Okay, divisor is there and dividend is also there. So we can find the quotient using that relation. Now, let p of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1 and let a be any real number. If p of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is. Then we have let p of x be any polynomial of degree, yeah, very good, very good. Polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. P of x is divided by the linear polynomial x plus 2, then the remainder is. Then find the remainder when this is divided by x minus 1. Okay. These are the 5 questions. Done. Okay. I can't attend the exam. Just try to refresh your page. Can you find that blue button, Chris? Where is Chris? Can you please unmute Chris? Chris, just minimize your Zoom.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, can you see a blue button there?
No,
Enter
ma'am.
exam. Well, can you please refresh your page?
No.
Okay, then do one thing. Just log into hybrid. Okay, to the link your website you are entering for this class. Just log into that website. And below this link for Zoom, you can see another link for exam. Just try that. Got then?
Both, ma'am.
Okay, still it's not there.
I did not understand what you told.
Okay, so you are entering to a website for entering this class, no?
Yes.
Chris?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just log into that website.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have done it.
Yeah, okay. Now below that link for Zoom class, can you see another link for exam?
No, ma'am. It's like today's exam. You have no schedules.
Your schedule. So this is your first class, maybe that's the issue.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So these are the questions. I will explain the questions and from next.
I got it. I have got it.
Got it. Oh,
Thank
okay.
you.
Yeah, okay. Somebody got 10 out of 10. Who is that? Sarah. Oh, very good. 8 out of 10. Very good. 6, 10. Yeah, very good, very good. 10 again. Yeah, very good. Ma'am, one more hand raise is there.
Abid.
Yes, Abid? Any doubts? Okay, fine. Okay, so let's discuss the answers now. Can I discuss the answers? Okay, fine. Choose the correct relation from the following. Which is the correct option? 1, 2, 3 or 4? Which is the correct option? Just show me using your hands 1, 2, 3 or 4. Okay, Rishikesh, very good. Yeah. 1. Okay. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Yes, very good. Now, if the remainder obtained on dividing, see, here it is x cube plus 1. What is this? This is the dividend. Okay, this is the dividend obtained on dividing x cube plus 1 by, so we are dividing x cube plus 1 by x plus 1. So x plus 1 is the divisor. X plus 1 is the divisor. Then 0 is the remainder. 0 is the remainder. After doing some steps, we got 0 as the remainder. We have to find the quotient. That is the question. And here we have the relation. See, in the first question, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So we can write that here. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So what is the dividend here? Dividend is x cube plus 1. Divisor here is x plus 1. Quotient is, okay, we have to find the quotient. We don't know anything about quotient, and the remainder is 0. So x cube plus 1 is equal to x plus 1 into the quotient. Okay, and we have to find the quotient. So quotient will be equal to x cube plus 1 divided by x plus 1. Okay, then we know how to divide. Exam was hard for me. I know, because we haven't discussed some questions, and I was planning to do some questions related to this one in the class, but I couldn't because of some, okay, yeah, anyways. I know these questions were difficult, but still, okay, hopefully we will solve more questions in the next class, and these questions, you can solve these same questions very easily. Okay, yeah, so now we have to divide this x cube plus 1 by x plus 1. I know we just solved 2 questions using this long division method, so this one may be difficult for you, but don't worry, I will explain this question. Okay, this question for sure in the next class. We haven't solved any problems like this in the class, so I know. Okay, yeah, what we have to do is we have to divide this x cube plus 1 by x plus 1. Okay, yeah, anybody got the answer here? Anybody got the answer? One, like 1, 3 persons were commenting. You got 10 on 10. Yeah, here, John. Yes, John.
Ma'am, I got the second one as the answer. Is that right?
Second one as the answer. Okay, let's see in the next class. Okay, because I'm not gonna confuse others by doing all those problems and all. Okay, let's see, John. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't want to confuse you. That's why I'm not doing it now. Okay, because for many of you it was difficult. Yeah. Anyways, now P of A. This is just that remainder theorem. Okay, let P of x be a polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1, A be any real number, P of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus A, then the remainder is P of A. This is just that theorem directly. Okay, so P of A is the answer. And here, what is the answer? We are dividing it by x plus 2. Here see, if we are dividing by x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. What happens if we are dividing it by x plus a? X plus a means the remainder will be p of minus a. Okay, if we are dividing by x minus a, the remainder is p of a, which means if we are dividing by x minus 1, the remainder is p of 1. But if we are dividing by x plus 1, the remainder is p of minus 1. Same case here also, if we are dividing by x plus 2, the remainder is p of negative 2. Okay, p of negative 2 is the correct answer. And the last question, find the remainder when this is divided by x minus 1. You have two options. First one, you can do the long division, x raised to 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1 divided by this x minus 1. It will take more than say 5-10 minutes. You just got 10 minutes for this MCQ question. So there you can use this. When we divide a polynomial by x minus 1, remainder is p of 1. So you can just use that here. If you are dividing by x minus 1, the remainder will be p of 1. So just find p of 1, which means replace x with 1. 1 raised to 4 plus 1 raised to 3 minus 2 into 1 square plus 1 plus 1, and then you will get the answer. Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, so don't worry about the exam or anything. I think that division part is okay for you. Okay, long division, we solved 2 questions, and I think there are no doubts for that 2 questions. We will solve more questions, and we will solve more questions like this, okay, in the class, and then you can attend the exam. It will be very easy. Okay, yeah. So see you all in the next class. Until then, stay safe and just go through this division process once again. Okay, then it will be more easy. Yeah, until then, bye bye, take care. Eid Mubarak.